Is this recording? Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, YouTubers, Jones Multinet 514-704-3947. We just cleaned some encapsulation method. So we just did our carpets here, and let's see, 1 room, 2 room, 3 rooms, and also a master bedroom. Now, the advantage to this cleaning method is that it dries extremely fast. It smells amazing. Our products are 100% green, so please note that there's no issue for pets. And we can also remove all kinds of pet urine that you may have from your cats or your dogs. And therefore, you will be happy. You will have no more smell whatsoever. We use specialized product for these situations. We pre-inspect. So if you need anything, give us a call at Jones Multinet 514-704-3947. Thank you. Have yourselves an amazing day.